Deleting parameters in Creo models is actually pretty easy from Excel. So we've used NitroBomb to kind of export this bill of materials here. And we have all of the reports out of here, but there is some columns that we don't really need. This legend that we have kind of built into the all parameters report indicates that there are some operations that you could do from this worksheet also. For example, if we want to delete specific parameters, we can use this pull down, or you can just type it in manually to say we don't want these parameters. Now we can actually come in and be selective about the things we don't want to be there, or we could be generic. So I'm just going to kind of import the changes as they are for these few selections here so we can see what that looks like. And you'll notice that each of these models that I've highlighted now does not have the existence of any parameter within those models. So that gray box means that that particular parameter on that particular model does not exist. So we can actually go and be a little more generic about it and say, well, if I want to get rid of everything, well, you could just go in and say, well, we're going to set our operation to delete. And in this case, we're just going to flag the entire column, and that's going to delete every parameter from every model for those items that have been designated for deletion. And now the question is, well, what about these other reports here? Well, those columns are still there. Well, all you have to do is come in and just re-export the reports, make sure all the reports are selected that you need, and it's going to regenerate all those reports and give you the updated data so that it's ready for the next system.